Welcome to section 4 of the vertical pump presentation. Of course, things do go wrong from time to time, and in this section we will deal with problem solving. Firstly, if ever there is a problem with a KESTNER pump, we as a company will ensure your priority. We will repair the unit as soon as possible to minimize your downtime, and we will determine the cause of the problem and recommend steps to ensure that it does not reoccur. Common causes of pump failure are: firstly, cavitation. Cavitation is caused when the NPSHA, which is the net positive suction head or pressure available in the tank, drops below the NPSHR, which is the net positive suction head required by the pump, as shown in the graph. Air bubbles are pushed into the eye of the impeller, and as they are flung out and accelerate, they implode, causing major damage to the impeller and indeed the casings. Here is an example of damage done through cavitation. You can clearly see the erosion on the impeller vane there, and over here is a hole almost right through the impeller vane caused by these little air bubble implosions. Secondly, blockage of the impeller vanes. The photo says it all. It causes an imbalance and therefore excessive vibration, and damages the motor bearings as well as the pump casings. Thirdly, chemical corrosion. This happens when chemicals are pumped that the unit has not been designed for, namely materials of construction. It is very important to disclose all the chemicals and their strengths to KESTNER at the beginning of the quoting process. This will avoid this type of pump failure. It can be clearly seen here, the upper rotor casing as a whole corroded right through it, and this was due to sodium hypochlorite at a very high concentration, which was not disclosed to us before the manufacture of this pump.